Yo guys, how you doing today? Joe's Performance here, and I got a package for y'all today. But let's get to the unboxing. So, all right, I lied. It's already unboxed. I already checked it out, but fine. So, first things first. Plastic piece of paper. Welcome. Thank you for being part of Team Shelby. Whether you are a renewing member or new to the family of Shelby enthusiasts worldwide, our goal is to help you enjoy a high-octane life. Say hello to my kitten. His name's Gizzy. There are many reasons that people join Team Shelby, from exclusive access to our special events across the globe to special discounts for Shelby Performance parts. Membership has its privileges. Goes on and on and on. You get that in the box. Let's continue. Get a nice hat. Pretty cool. Pretty neat. Got the team 10 years strong on the back, which is pretty cool. You get a t-shirt. It's pretty cool. I got an extra large because they tend to shrink, and I get a large. Always go one size up. Now you get some small little stuff. This has a little sticky, so you go like back of your fridge or something like that. It's pretty neat. Metal, dowling, whatever you want to call this. Sticker. You barely see the sticker, but it's a sticker. It has Team Shelby on it as well. One of my favorite things is this. It's a license plate plaque. Now, I already have one, but it also says Member Team Shelby, which is pretty cool. Little monstrosity right here goes on a Letterman's jacket if you have one. Pretty neat. I like it. I'm going to stay subscribed to Team Shelby. It's $50 a year. You get a package. I don't know how often, but I think it's just once a year or once every 6 months. I don't know, but it's a yearly subscription. The package came pretty quick too. Actually, today's the what? May 16th, and I signed up, say May 12th. Came in a few days. Didn't process until Monday. I bought it on a Friday, so it came fairly quick. One of the coolest things I think there is, the box is empty by the way. Coolest thing I think there is this. It's a magazine. It's pretty neat, pretty exclusive, has a lot of information, a history behind Shelby and Team Shelby, and then you get these cards. I didn't even know these. You get a gift card, $10 gift card, and then you also get a membership card, Team Shelby. It's pretty cool. But yeah, check them out. Like I said, have a description and link below. Stay tuned for the next video. I got something really neat in store for y'all. So